Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay. Today I am really excited to share you introduction about Java. Java is one of the most popular programming language. If you search top programming language, you will find Java there in top 5. Why it is so much popular? It has completed more than 25 years. Still it is in competition because it's rich in features. It use desktop application, web application, mobile application and enterprise application. It helps to build enterprise market. Now talking about features of Java, it is fast, reliable, secure, and most of the people said it is difficult to learn. I said yes, it is difficult to learn initially. Once you learn properly step by step, you will realize that it is simple language. So that it is a features of Java. Java is object oriented. It deals with object and classes. It is platform independent because the compiled Java code can run on any operating system, so that it's a feature of Java. Now, talking about memory utilization, Java takes care memory management. It provides garbage collector to collect unused object automatically. In the interview, most of the companies may ask question based on Java because they know if you know Java, you can easily learn any different language. Okay, that's it from today's video. I hope you found something informative in this video. If you have any question, feel free to leave them below in the comment section. I will be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. I will be see you in next video.